and llevar. Now, you've seen these two verbs before. You probably also recognize that you've made a lot of errors using them too, and that's where I'm going to try and help you today. In this video, I'm going to show you the difference between traer and llevar and exactly how to use them. So why are these two verbs so confusing to Spanish learners? Well, in English, we just have one verb that means to bring. It doesn't quite matter where the speaker is located to use this verb. But in Spanish, as you'll see, the location of the speaker, the person who is talking, makes a big difference. Let's look at this example to see what I mean. Suppose you're sitting with a friend at your house, studying the past tenses in Spanish, like we all do on a Friday night, and your friend says to you, ¿Tienes ese libro de gramática con las mejores explicaciones? And you reply, Sí, claro, está en mi habitación. Yo lo llevo. Or wait, is it yo lo traigo? It's a bit confusing, right? So let's look at this next example to see if we can begin to clarify the difference between traer and llevar. So both traer and llevar can mean to bring, but let's look at this exchange and see what happens in Spanish. Jorge, ¿vas a traer las cervezas mañana a la barbacoa en mi casa? Luis, claro que sí, yo las llevo. Now here, ¿vas a traer las cervezas mañana a mi casa? Indicates that the beer will go from point A, where Luis is, to point B, where Jorge is. Jorge is asking Luis to bring the beer to the barbecue at his house, and so we use the verb traer. The response by Luis, claro que sí, yo las llevo. This uses the verb llevar because Luis will bring the beers from where he is, let's say at his house, to the barbecue where Jorge is, to a different location. So Jorge uses traer when he asks for Luis to bring the beers to him, and Luis uses llevar when he says bring the beers with him to Jorge's house. Alright? ¿Ves la diferencia? Now let's look at another example just with traer to further solidify this point. You are taking a Spanish class and you're sitting around with your compañeros waiting for the teacher to arrive. You say to them, traje todas mis tareas a la clase de español hoy. ¿Y ustedes trajeron sus tareas? In this case, everyone in the conversation is at the Spanish class or in the same place. The speaker brought his homework from point A. Let's say point A is each person's respective house. Okay, so everyone brought their homework from there to point B, the Spanish class. Everyone is at the Spanish class now, okay? No one is at home, so we can't use llevar because we're not taking the stuff somewhere else. We must use traer because we're bringing it here. Here's another set of examples, this time using llevar. Carmen, ¿llevaste a los niños a la escuela hoy? Pedro, sí, los llevé a las 8:30 de la mañana. Carmen and Pedro both use the verb llevar. The question is being asked in reference to point A. Pedro was at point A with the kids and then he took them or brought them to school, point B. When he responds, he says, yes, I brought them or I took them. He brought them to point B, but he's no longer at point B anymore, so only llevar can be used. ¿Llevaste a los niños a la escuela hoy? Here's a final comparison to help remember. Let's think about it in terms of here versus there. Trajimos un regalo lindísimo para nuestra abuela. This implies that we are here with grandma at point B. We bought the gift from point A over there. Trajimos un regalo. Llevaremos un regalo lindísimo para nuestra abuela. Now in this case, we are at point A. We are not with grandma. Grandma's at point B. So we're here and we're going to bring it over there to grandma. Llevaremos un regalo. Make sense? Let's draw it out here one more time. So when we use traer, the subject is here at point B. The thing or person they bring comes from over there, which is point A. With llevar, it's the opposite. The subject is here at point A and they bring the person or object with them over there to point B. Let's go back to our original example. Ya lo llevo or ya lo traigo. Well, let's ask ourselves, where are we? We are here at point B and the object is over there at point A. Two different places. I need to bring the book from over there to here where I swim with my friend. I'm here at point B, and so the correct answer is traer. Yo lo traigo. ¿Te parece bien? It is that simple. Just think of where you are in relation to the object. Are you with the object and intend to bring it somewhere with you? Then use llevar. On the other hand, is the object over there and it has to be brought to where you are? In that case, use traer. Leave a comment below, let me know if this all makes sense, and I'll see you back in the next video. If you want to be tested on this, then look out for the quiz. I hope you enjoyed this grammar lesson. Now, to download the full notes for this lesson, please click the link in the video description below, and that will take you to a page where you can sign up for our Spanish Vault and get free access to that and lots of other stuff. Now, if you'd like to test yourself on this grammar point, then check out the next video where we have a little quiz prepared for you. Otherwise, please subscribe to the channel y nos vemos en el próximo.